Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stockpivots pre-market analysis. Let's start with S&P 500. We'll be looking at a market from a lot of different angles today. Okay, first of all, what we are looking at on a 4-hour time frame, we had this bull run, right, starting from here, which was on 21st of November. The market was continuing going upward. Right until this point, the market was marking the higher high and the independent candle. Right at the first awareness Marubozu candle, the market became the sideline. The candle body started decay slowly. Moving forward, we had another awareness Marubozu candle. These candle you should be paying attention in future. All your trading, when you have one this candle, 7 to 8 days down the line, you see the big market sell off. And these candles were particularly highlighted that we have awareness Marubozu coming up and the market will sell off. And here we have the result of this one. Okay. This pump was purely based on the interest rate cut and pump and dump. This was also alerted the market will pump on the interest rate cut and then sell off. Now, what we are looking at, since the price is below the 50 EMA, okay, we are bearish on overall in the market. Means the stock will drop further. How much it will drop, where the price will go, let's try to figure out. So what we do, we take the fixed volume range profile tool from here, go to the lower candle to the current candle, see the value area. Right now, the market is holding exactly where it should be. Okay, it's not overbought, it's not oversold, it's in a right where it should be. Okay, so next few candle will be deciding where the market will go. So this was our extreme low point in the market structure. This is our extreme low point right here. There is no internal range right in this area, and this is our external high. Okay, so market will make in this area, market will make the internal low, liquidity range low here, and high. Market will stay below this point and above this point. This is the kind of system the kind of pattern, kind of pivot you will see. Market will be making. So probably this, we have the another low right here, the internal range liquidity, another retracement towards 683, and then again sell off. But market will not take this point. It will mark the another liquidity right here, somewhere around 665, 666 area. After that, moving forward, market will take down both the internal liquidity like wild swing. But still, this high and this low will remain the main character in the trend. We'll go here on a 4-hour time frame to understand. On a daily time frame, the market started running in April. We will continue running. Right now, we are holding this. The price is below the 9 EMA, holding 50 EMA. As long as the market is holding 50 EMA on daily time frame, the market will bounce up again and then sell off. We are in the rising wedge, this one, which started since April. This is very dangerous pattern. Eventually, when the market will sell off, maybe in January end or February, market will have a major drop. It's not going to be 2%, 3%. It's going to be 10 to 15%. I will take at least 15% drop. Okay, so if the market is trading around $700 before the drop, you are looking at $700 straight drop into 619 area. These pivot right in this area, SR interchange. Okay, and then the new bull market will start right in this area. So from here, this point, tank badly right in this area and then bounce off, take off again. Now we go to 4-hour time frame to understand what's happening right now. Okay, right now, what is happening? What do you see here? This pattern. We had the high here, low here, high again here, selling off, retracing. Market will not take this point. Means a little bit of recovery. Same way like it fake out downside under the EMA, fake out upside on the EMA, and then sell off once again. So the market will pull back. Okay, RSI is bearish, stochastic is recovering, market will recover and then sell off eventually. To understand where we are selling this week, particularly this week and the next week, okay, what we have the upside gamma wall, 680 means the market will fail, retest 680 and sell off. Downside, we have a 670. So this $10 bracket, you'll be paying close attention, 670 to 680. And right here, if you look at what's going on here, this area, what is this point? 688, which was the previous gamma flip wall, 690 area. And downside here, 670. As soon as the 670 came, the market bounced. Okay, right here, you see that? 671 and 670 area. Right before the 670, the market bounced. Same thing upside, 680 and the market pullback right here. So this $10 bracket is very, very important, which will mark the internal range before a major trend start one side. Okay. So you'll be paying attention to 680 and 670 area. So as long as this area is maintained, it's good for scalping. 670 you go long, 680 you go short. Okay. So $10 range. Okay, moving forward, we'll start with the wicks. Today we have the quadruple watching, a lot of options expiry, and day before yesterday, and the market was green. What I'm looking at, there's a lot of GEX on the call side. Unbelievably bullish call option has been purchased. So what they will do, they will keep the market sideline to let all the call expire worthless. Okay, and that's what's going to happen. Moving forward to wicks, wicks had a pump here, which was up, down, change of character, break of structure, bullish from here, elephant candle, slow decline. Always the slow decline is the pattern for the next breakout on the wicks, like this one. And the breakout will be exactly as this candle, precisely this much. Okay, and this is where it is heading, 21 plus. So be ready, the wicks will shoot up today or maybe maximum next week. Within like 2-3 days, you'll see the wicks shooting up. Okay, now let's start with Amazon. This is your stock. I have been saying for a while, 10 to 15 days now, that Amazon is your stock. We are ready for a breakout on this one. We have this symmetrical triangle coming from here to the first point, equal low, higher low, another higher low. There's a little bit of gap left here, okay? This one. When the market leaves the gap, and this is the same pattern, you see that? The bounce, retrace. This is the same pattern we just saw on the VIX, and then the market is bullish. Market is what do you call that? In contraction under the resistance line right here. So it will stay here and then a major breakout. It will break with a momentum candle. Once we break the resistance, the stock will turn bullish and it will continue going upward. Why it will continue going upward? You see the two line right here, the EMA line, 9, 34 and 50 EMA. The price is almost at the 50 EMA. And squeezed in between of resistance and 50 EMA. The price cannot stay here for long. The breakout has to happen anytime. Okay. And on the other hand, if you go to the daily time frame, you will understand what's going on the Amazon. So what's going on the Amazon? Since starting of this area right here, and even I can stretch a little bit more right here, starting all the way to 5th of June, the Amazon has been range bound. A lot of people will not identify this as a range because they don't, oh, it's going up, down, up, down. But look at this one. If you take this lower point, this lower point, this lower point, another one, high, 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 this area, this box, since June, the market has been sidelined after the breakout, this breakout. Okay, we have breakout from starting from 160 back into 212 area. And then from 212 June, we have not seen any major breakout except this. The price went out of the channel and came back in the range again. So a major breakout is coming ahead. Amazon will have a major breakout and very similar to this range, if you want to understand. So the price started at 160, went to 212 area. That we are looking about $52 breakout. Okay. So very similar. It can be $1 plus minus, but roughly $50 breakout will happen on this one, and we'll put the Amazon precisely to our price target, which is 278. Pay attention to that one, 278 on Amazon. So right now 2 to 6, 52 range, $52 coming from here, from 160 to 212 range. This one, 200, this range. If I show you the range, let me show you. So started from here, there will be a big breakout on Amazon. It has been so long in the sideline market. So you see this range will break out here. Here. This is the breakout you're looking at. And take the previous high. Okay. So we are looking in a range of 280, 278 area. So there will be a major breakout on the upside. There is a lot of money to be made on Amazon. Be ready for that one. Time to time, the market breakouts. 1, 2, 3, 4 retracement and wave. Last wave is coming for the upsides. Moving forward to APLT, when the stock was trading right in this area, I clearly mentioned we are going to 20 zone, and right here, you see that this area, up, down, right here, we came back into precisely very close to the precise to the penny, and now we are looking for the another breakout. What we are looking at on APLT? We had the extreme low point right here, the structure low. We have this one. Down, we hold the previous low and mark the equal low of this one. Means the market recovery from here. Again, we are respecting the previous order block right in this area. So the market is again trying to hold this. Market is in contraction in a symmetrical triangle, and this generally break out in a bull side. So you have this. Price will not break out easily. Easily means not like today or tomorrow, but we will stay the pattern. You see the symmetrical triangle now, and you will see the zigzag pattern inside. If I show you here. So what you are looking at, every time demand and supply is getting shorter and shorter. So next demand will be smaller, next supply will be smaller. And at this point, we'll have a major breakout upside like this breakout. This is the breakout you're looking at. The base of the symmetrical triangle like this. So for next few weeks, APLD will be sidelined and then the major breakout coming. So don't try to buy a long position or short position for next few weeks, except focus on scalping on this one, because that's where the price will be up, down in a range bound area. Moving forward to BBI, we have a short put. We'll continue holding our short put. We are looking for the retracement back into 9 area, right here in this area. Internal range liquidity, the previous one is taken. Now, wild swing is coming, moving forward. This point will be taken, this point will be taken, equal low and bounce towards the equal high. Equal low takes equal high concept here. Moving forward to BMNR, what is going on right now here on the BMNR? BMNR, we are in a retracement, okay, not in the correction. Give me a second. Okay. What's going on the BMNR? We have this extreme high. We had a previous low, which is taken, liquidity sweep right here, high. This point should respect right here and give us another high area right here, which is 46 area. Okay, something like this. Unless the Ethereum sell-off or crypto sell-off majorly, till then, this is what your pattern looks like. SR interchange right from these points. So those are the resistance coming from. The price will go up and it will hold right in a 46 area. That's it. And then we will decide the further analysis, what will happen after the 46. Okay, moving forward, let's go to bull. Bull, we are looking back into 10 plus. Once we claim the 10 plus, then only we'll go to 12.50. The first one, and when we are under $10, the first price target is $10, then 12.50, then 16.04. Okay, maximum from here we are looking for 12.50 first. Okay, like this, the price going upward, down, again going. So here you will have the change of character right in this area, right in this area. So this is something we are looking at. And then pull back again and then maximum into this range right here. That's it. 12.50 and then retracement before the any further move upside. So from here we are only heading for 12.50. Once we reach 12.50, then we will do the further analysis where we are going. So from here, first price target $10, second price target 12.50. At 12.50, we'll do the reanalysis. Moving forward to Circle, long term, very good stock. Don't try to load this in your account that you go 50-70% of your account in Circle thinking it will go to 500%. Eventually it will, but it may take 1 year, 2 years, unless the crypto become mainstream line, stable coin, more clarity in the crypto industries and stable coin area. Okay, this stock has huge potential. So that's why this stock you always trade. You always have a position. You closed one position, open another small position, but keep revolving your account around Circle. Have a small position like 5%, 10% of your accounts. Moving forward to GameStop, we are bouncing off very similar situation. This sell-off at the ending, it was clearly highlighted that we are in wave 2. Wave 1, 2, 3. Wave 3 has started. We are heading towards a 25 area, and after 25, we'll do the reanalysis. This is where the wave 1, 2, 3 or C will finish right in this area. So we have to, once we reach 25, then we will decide whether it's a wave C or failure of 3, or it will continue retracing to 4 and then 5. Okay, so from here, definitely we are going to 25, and after 25, then we'll be looking for the further price targets. Moving forward to HIMS, the stock seems marking the double equal area right here. I think it's nicely placed in this area to buy. We can hold the trade for 52, 54 area. Maximum you can hold for 60 area. It's not going above 60 area. People talking about 100, 200 is all nonsense. Don't listen to that garbage. The first price target from here is the point of control line, which is 50 area, and that's it. And then we will decide further. Moving forward to Mara, highly undervalued stock. Wave C downside about to close. This is the highly undervalued stock in the Bitcoin area right now. Nor the coin, nor the BMNR, nor the MSTR. This is the most undervalued stock. Okay, the company is trading under the net assets value. The company hold 9 billion of assets, and the company is trading for 3 billion. This is 300% undervalued. The stock belongs to the north of anywhere around 21, 22, $24. That's where the fair value is, 25, 26 area. Okay, anything above 25 is overvalued. Anything below 20 is undervalued. This stock is highly undervalued. It's been punished because of the crypto, because there is a lot of manipulation going on right now between the JP Morgan, BlackRock, MSTR, and all this. MSTR is selling at the money share to survive in the market, and JP Morgan, Jim Chanos, and all this, the elite, they are behind the MSTR because they are left behind in the race of Bitcoin holding. Okay, so there's a lot of manipulation going on right now, and this phase will pass in next few weeks. Moving forward to Melly, what we are looking at, we are looking for the retracement right here. If what exactly we left yesterday right here, this is the crucial part. We left a little bit of gap, just a tiny pixel gap. You see that here, the gap. Every time the market does this, make sure you know that right away there is a big move coming upside, without an exception. Not just Melly, any stock, any crypto, any commodity, forex, oil, no matter what you are trading, if the price comes bounce off some area, come back, lift the small gap, and do not mark the equal low. You see the gap here, right here, this gap. Every time there is this kind of gap left, just by the few pixel, which if you can't even see unless you zoom it, that's the kind of the gap. That is always followed by a big move upside, and you will see this right away. The next candle is, look, $1,900 to $76. Right away, the one candle itself, $76 bounce, and spread candle, and the price will bounce up from here. Moving forward to Meta, we have shorted the call for 680. We also have the 650 long. We have booked enough profit on this one, 3 to 4 times on the 680 call. Initially, we started the trade with the spread. Current trade has been left for the break even to settle on 16th of January. We have sold the call purposely because there is a theta activation on the 650 call, and 680 call we end up taking about $8 to $9. And that's why we have sold the 680 call. January, this trade is no longer a tradable trade. Just leave it in the account to settle for 16th of January. The profit is already in the account. Okay. Moving forward to MSTR, it will again doing shit as usual. Highly undervalued at this point. It should have never been here. I was never expecting to come under 329 area, 319 area. I don't know what the hell is happening in this area, MSTR. Little bit of pressure from the manipulation, and on the top, the seller keeps selling ATM, is literally destroying the value for the shareholder. So it looks like everyone is like against the system. BlackRock, JP Morgan, MSTR itself, because now it's not his fault. He want to raise capital to pay the dividend. He want to buy more Bitcoin to raise the capital, and he keeps selling ATM. So it's kind of the stock has been punished like badly. So we'll be monitoring this closely. We have time. We have our call expiring in June. So hopefully the story turn around. We'll be monitoring this one. Moving forward to Netflix, we have booked the profit twice. Look at this one on a daily time frame. One candle, two candle. These two candle, we closed 2 profit trade right here, and a decent profit on this one. Okay, again, we are looking for the next trade on Netflix. Same, long synthetic. Do not buy the share. Just go long synthetic, invest 50 cents, and take out $800, $900 of the profit. That's the best thing to do. Price is spinning, holding this respect, downside. So we have this independent price spread, independent candle, and these two candles are not able to break down this one. Previous low, another low. What will happen here? Let me show you something interesting. Okay, when you have where is the parallel channel? When you have this kind of channel information, both side, if your candle keep matching this one, and the channel fits perfectly, okay, there is no gap between, let's say this candle would have not been here and there is a gap here, then there was a problem. But when you have a channel and the candle both sides keep touching the channel correctly, that means the channel will continue. Where will the channel will fail? Let's say you have a candle here this one, and left the gap here, for example. Okay, this is the gap left in the channel. If the upside gap left here above this candle and the price retrace, this is called insider gap. Okay, right here, insider channel gap. If the price goes here, goes back to 95.80 and sell off and leave the gap here, then this channel will fail moving forward. If the candle keep touching the base and the top of the channel, the price will continue in this trend all the way, bullish momentum, like keep going upward, something like this. So keep an eye, this channel should not leave any gap. So you see this, 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 this is how this channel will continue working. And then eventually the price will turn bullish off the 50 EMA and 34 EMA. But if the upside gap left or downside gap left, that side, if the gap is left in demand, there will be a major demand. If the gap is left in supply, there will be a one more supply at the end of the channel. This is how you identify when the stock will break out, which side it will break out. If I find the perfect example of some other stock, I will be explaining you what I mean to say. Okay. Okay, so here we go. NEO, we have a trade. We are bullish. We are almost at break even. We'll continue holding this one. Good stock, good trade. Even if you don't have a trade, those who are not having a trade, $5 call, long call, 15th of May. Perfect. Still, it's good to enter. Okay, although there was a better entry down, but even if you miss it, it's still good to enter. You still have an entry. RSI is still bearish. We're about to turn bullish. Moving forward to NVIDIA, right here, this was the drop, precisely calculated. Okay. And now we have the recovery. We are heading into 190 area before the next sell-off. The NVIDIA to 190 area of this sell side liquidity. This is the area you'll be monitoring closely. Any rejection in this area, the blue box, will have another sell-off. Until then, the market will continue going upwards right from here. And if I see a channel, all right. Let me show you what I was doing the channel trading. This is a little bit of an advanced level of trading. Okay, I don't know if I have previously explained you this. Okay, you see this here, this area, and then you have this area. So let me go this, and come on, I don't know what's wrong with trading view. Every time you share the screen, suddenly there is a problem. Okay, so you have this perfect touch 1, 2, 3 right here in this area. Okay, now downside, what do you see? You see the gap left down here, this gap left here. Let me drag it so you will see what you see. This gap left, supply gap. Then you have another supply gap left here. Now you see why this supply came. Because the market was not going through a decent retracement and keep marking the high. This one, this high, this high, this high. But leaving the gap downside, one gap, two gap. Moving forward when the trend ended and boom, that's it, down. If it's a gap on the demand side, the price will break out upside. Which was the stock that we were looking at? Meta? No, it was on Netflix. Yeah. So right here, you see that here, there is no gap. We are touching the channel at the bottom every single time. If the gap is left on the demand side, the breakout will happen upside. If the gap is left on the supply side, the market will tank. This is how you know when the price is in the channel, which side the hell this will break out. There is a message hidden in the channel itself. 99% people on the world, they don't know how to find out which side the stock will break out. And the message is hidden inside, right in that channel. You see this? Supply gap, and supply right here. This is how you identify which side this uptrend will end, whether it's a recovery and breakout upside or it will fail further down. Because there was a supply gap means the supply has to come. Okay, moving forward to Oscar, very similar. We can have a long position, right? We captured the entry here. We took the exit here. And right since 26th of November, I have been saying the price will go to 14.74. And look at where the price is. 14.75. Precise to 1 cent. When you know your shit, you know it, where the price will go. All right. So let's find our channel. Right here, regression channel. And what you see, nowhere there is a gap, neither upside nor upside, means retracement will happen, normal retracement. There's no breakout happening. So this one, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 upside, heading into 18.62. This is where your next price target from here. And by default, I can tell you that this was the Fibonacci retracement, 2 and 3 right here, just above the internal liquidity takeout. You see that? Well, where is our external liquidity? External liquidity is at this point, right? Our low liquidity is this point. So what we'll do, we'll not go to this point. We mark structure shift from here to here. We have the next lower high, higher low. Okay, let me drag this. We have the next higher low, internal low point. We have the internal high point because our external liquidity is right here. So what will happen? The price will take this point down. The stop loss right here, the sell side liquidity right here, these people will be taken out and the price will go exactly above this and then sell off. Okay, so make sure you know that precisely. And this point where it's coming from, I can guarantee you without looking at the tool, it's a Fibonacci retracement. Right here, you take the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this point as well will be your extension of the Fibonacci, 0.1. So you have this one and this one. You see the golden zone, 14.93 right here. My price target was 14.74, precise to the penny. Now let's take the Fibonacci extension, and 0.1 will be our price target from here. So you go here to the top, right in this area, to the bottom, 0.1, 20.74. On the screen, 20.53, below the previous low, right below the previous low, above the previous high. This is where we are heading. Point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. Below this point, okay, come on, and higher than this point, So we are definitely going higher than this and below this. This is the area the price is heading into, from 1852 to 20 area, and then we'll sell off once again. Okay. Moving forward to QuantumScape, we have the short put entry. We'll continue holding. Let's see if we have the gap in this area. We are at the value area low perfectly. And low of this candle was 1056. Low of this candle was 1050. All right. So the area has been taken. This liquidity has been taken. The price will have a normal recovery towards 1205. So a little bit of recovery upside. Moving forward to Rivian, right? We have been trading since 957. Right at that point, we knew it is a $24 stock. We are heading into this one. The first price target was 21.88, which was alerted. And we are at 20 area. We are in wave 5. The price is about to sell off. It's not that you have not missed the boat on Rivian. Don't think it will continue going upward. What's going on? This was your previous low, lower liquidity, external high. Once we have this break of structure here, the previous lows shifted here, high shifted here. So this is extreme low, this is extreme high, and this is our internal range. What happened? The market came, took the internal range out, liquidity sweep right here. See the wick right in this area? Why this wick only appeared below this point? Liquidity sweep, shoot up. Once we shoot up, the extreme high has to be taken down. Exactly we did. We came here, liquidity swap, sell off, not to take the previous low, breakout, take down all these people out, shoot up, not to take the previous low, up, shoot up, all this taken down. Most of the sell side liquidity has been taken down. Moving forward, the price will drop. Will take internal liquidity out. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Price will never go back below 1394 now. The extreme low, these are gone. Okay. Now, this is the internal low, which will 100% be taken. 100% the price will take 15.71. There is no exception. New fake news will be created, fake article will be written, downgrade will happen. Every shit in the world you can think of will be created to bring the price down. That's how the article writer, that's how the content creator and the analyst works. They are all bunch of idiots put together around the world. They work hand in hand. They downgrade, the writing starts. All right, let's go. The company is not doing good. Lighter has had an accident, blah, blah, blah. A recall on the car. Everything will happen when the price need to be brought down. Okay, suddenly you will see the downgrade, suddenly you see the recall on the car, suddenly you see the brake failure, suddenly you see the California ban or something, and subsidy downgrade, this, that, electric vehicle subsidy. Everything will happen when they need to bring the price down. Once they hand over the price at the higher price to the retail investor, they will bring it down. This is the point you are looking at. This is the point you are looking at. 14 area, all in, next entry. Moving forward to SMCI, stock is very cheap. This is the area that you want to accumulate your position. I have a huge position on this one. I'm a big fan of this stock. I've been trading since 42, and from 42 we went down to 20. We precisely knew it from 20 it will go to 60, then came back to 30 area, then went to 60 again. We've been trading like over a year now, back to back, and again we know where this is heading. Okay, right from here we are going again into 52 area. Internal buy side liquidity will be taken right here, and the maximum upside target is this point right in this area, 52 area. Eventually we will close all the trade at 52 area. Moving forward to Sound Hunt, looks okay to me to add a position, especially the short put in this area, because I have not bought the share for a long time on Sound Hunt. What we are looking at, the chart is clearly mentioned. We'll have a bounce from here upside. Okay, if you go on a higher time frame, I can explain you a little bit more on this one. So what you are looking at, you see that if we have a lower high here and we do not take the external liquidity, means internal liquidity will be taken 100% and next lower high will be marked. So this price is not going above this, which is 22, definitely not going above this, and definitely taking this point down, which is at 994. So sooner or later, we will wipe out at this point 994 and go towards 1765 maximum. Will not take down this 20 point. Internal range going on right now before the major breakout on one side. Okay, moving forward to SPY, we have done that. Tesla, not a big fan at this price. Okay, why I'm not a big fan? As long as the price is shooting, I'm happy with that one. I still have a TSLA few contract. We made enough money on this one. Stock is overvalued. Daily time frame, overbought. Go to weekly time frame. Anyone who thinks this will go to 1,000 area or the people will get rich on this one, it's overbought on the weekly. Do not ignore the red flag. It's overbought. Look here, RSI on weekly time frame, 70 plus. Okay, when the RSI is 70 plus, it can run a little bit more because it's a super bullish. Okay, RSI can go to 80 as well. RSI can go to 90 as well. But followed by that will be a major correction. The RSI will go all the way to the oversold zone, and that will bring the price to 300 area. A lot of people are excited. Okay, a lot of people think, oh, Tesla will never go to 300. Okay, we will talk to them when it comes. They will be praying, please bring it back to 300. That will be the time will come. They are underestimating. Everyone is underestimating 2026 what's going to happen. Okay, Japan rate of interest increase, stronger yen. The money will outflow from the ETF investment in the US. Billions and billions will be out of American liquidity. Japan is a big liquidity provider to US market. And once the money starts flowing, which is the end of January most likely, you know what's coming. Okay. So be ready for this one. And this is a high beta stock. People don't understand if S&P/Y drop 15%, okay, how much Tesla will drop. People think, oh, if the S&P/Y go 15%, this will go 15%. No, if S&P/Y drop 15%, Tesla will drop 30 to 40% because this is high beta stock. And why the high beta stock drops more? Because first, they are volatile. They have a wild swing either side. Then there are a lot of investors, they get liquidated. What will happen if when the Tesla starts selling off here, goes to 344? How many people do you think will be able to hold their position at 344? Less than 10%. They will start selling at a loss. Then more supply will come to the market when they sell at the loss. And then margin call will happen. People will be liquidated. It means more supply will come to the market. So this will happen. Where is the bottom of the Tesla? You don't want to know that. Trust me, on a weekly time frame. Okay, a lot of people are excited. So let their excitement be intact. Okay. If you have a bending market, okay, this is where the Tesla belongs, 289 area. That's the bottom. If you want to know where the bottom is, the bottom is $289 at the base of the symmetrical triangle breakout which we had before, which we literally traded this symmetrical triangle from here. You see that this breakout happened right here before the breakout. This is where the Tesla can fall, in this area, and eventually you will see this price. Nothing can stop it. You may see it in 2 months, you may see it in 3 months, but eventually the price will come here. It's a very normal behavior of a retail investor. When the price goes up, they're very excited. Oh my God, now we are so fucking back in the game, and they will have all kind of new vocabulary invented for Tesla. It's a normal behavior. We have seen it like 1,000 times. I'm not a trading. I'm not the person who's trading 6 months down the line. Okay. So people will get their lesson hard. This is how people learn. They learn it hard way. Okay. Right here, DZT put holding at break even, which we bought it yesterday. Market is open. Let me see if we are closing anything. Yesterday I didn't close much. Again, today I don't see anything closing. So let's take some scalping. Rivian, final up, job done. Right here, I told you the price will sell off, and you see that the ghost has just appeared. Stock is officially overbought. We have the bearish divergence on the RSI, and RSI after the bearish divergence, last push, death cross on here is coming. Rivian is done. Okay, Rivian will pull back. 1395 will be the price target right here. This wick, the liquidity sweep right here. Internal liquidity will be taken. This will be the first stop, 1570. Second stop, 1395 bottom, all in entry. All right, SMCI, I just told you right here on a daily time frame, we have our algo picked up right here. The price target heading straight into 58, 57 area. Good to have a position in SMCI. 677 will be monitoring closely. Have some cash ready to buy the put on S&P 500. Okay, once we fail the 50 EMA, right away we'll be buying at the money put without exception. Right now we are bouncing up, which is good sign. A little bit of recovery to the gamma flip wall. Yes, we do have a training today at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. to most likely 10 p.m. This will be 5 hours. 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. 5 hours training today on the market structure, candle by candle trading, and everything. A lot of detailed training. You watch today's training, and from tomorrow you'll be an expert scalper. Nothing can stop you to make money from the market. If you pay close attention, yes, they will be recording. Yeah. But make sure you watch this. It's very important trading. It's a volume spread analysis based on volume, and volume never lie to you on the chart. There are 4 previous training. Some of you have not even watched. MMC, VWAP, and there is a lot of other stuff as well in that one. All right. We'll start at 5 p.m. EST. Sean will be recording. Link will be available to watch. 5 hours. Yeah, you can watch the recording. It's fine. Yeah, it will be available later tonight. But make sure you make a note, make points out of this training, especially take notes. Take a notebook, watch it, record it, and make notes that what kind of details you need to look at the candle. Okay. This is more of a candle by candle trading, that when you are in a trade like 5-minute time frame, okay, scalping trading, you should be looking at, okay, shall I stay in the trade or not? Why I should stay in the trade? What are the reasons that I'm in this trade? How long I should stay in the trade? This is more of answering your doubt and questions. So when you look at the candle, automatically you will know what the hell is going on behind this candle. Nothing can stop you to become a successful scalper from tomorrow, from tonight. So Monday, I expect everyone to hit $400, $500 in a day. Problem is, a lot of you are not taking your decision. You see it, you follow the analysis, and then still you don't take the decision. Okay, Melly, here we go. You see the bounce? Why the bounce is coming? The point was hidden right here. Yesterday, I pinpointed why the bounce will come on Melly. Right here, the gap here. You see this gap left in under this candle, the big candle, and between this candle. Why there is a gap here at the cursor? This gap. This is the volume gap. Okay, when you have a volume gap right precisely with a 98% retracement or something, the next followed by a big breakout, and Melly is bullish. Nothing can stop it now. $5 Neo call should be turning green anytime. A little bit red, but we are very close. Okay, all cool. NVDA 178 bullish, again very similar situation. You see the gap? Why the NVIDIA only picked up green from here? Market will always give you the hint right here. See the gap under this candle right here, this small gap. I'll explain you this gap in detail in the training. 21.81 was the target, 88, 21.24, precise to 60 cents, starting all the way from 953. SMCI is about to start upside. So make sure everyone has the trade on SMCI. Meta 663, what's going on? We are still under contraction under the, what do you call, resistance. Okay. 1124, 5% BMNR. Nice. BMNR has to go up. BMNR has only one way to go. Internal liquidity wipeout. The previous low. It will respect this one, take down this point, go again high. Circle is green, APLD green. You see that how precise this trade was? Right here we knew it where it will go, and right here we knew it where it's going. 2 to 6, Amazon is red. The volume liquidity sweep or retest 50 EMA. Right from here the price will go up. Right from here the price will go up. It cannot go down. You see this? This particular candle has to hold. And I can guarantee you, you will see that same gap which I was talking about. You will see that. And right here, you see that this candle, there was a gap, this candle, and this candle will exactly leave the gap here and bounce off this gap. $587. Excellent. Nice. Sell side pressure on the BBI on 30-minute time frame, but it's green, wave 3, so good. Next candle will be monitoring. This particular candle will not sustain on BBI. This candle, which is going on right now, will not sustain. Nothing can make this candle go up. Next candle will be short candle, and then the third candle will start again upside. All righty. Fair value gap, 30-minute time frame, upside. So when you see this kind of pattern, one big breakout, principal candle, consolidation, all these candle are engulfing candle, okay? All these, right from here to here. You see that? This become the box. All these candle, these many candle are just an engulfing candle. There is no breakout or anything. They are just within the range of this candle. It's called volume fill-up candle. All right, let's go here. We were looking for the upside, 5-minute time frame. Okay, here we go. That's what I said. S&P 500 in the upside. 680 is the gamma flip wall. Will precisely go to 680 and then pull back. Overbought on 5 minute at 680. Right now 679.36. Overbought. RSI overbought. Death cross on the stochastic. Sell off. 680 gamma flip. Keep monitoring. Do not try to jump on the short position here. Okay, wait. SPY. Stock market future Dow SPY gain, the cooler than the expected inflation data. Very nice. We have a cooler inflation data. Market is bouncing on the inflation data. Positive. All right, here we go. Market is pushing. Independent candle. All right. This is how you do. When is the 5 minute time frame? The price spin here, hammer at the bottom. Spread, independent, independent, independent. Still independent, even though it has a wild swing because of the what do you call it? Inflation data. Independent, independent, independent. Every single candle, heavy buying pressure. Let the price continue. Do not try to short the market when you say, oh, it's a nice bounce and now it will pull back. No, let the market bounce and you will see when we short. All right, spread candle trying to fill the upside bounce. Both side, S1, S2. Now don't ask me what is S1, S2. All circle, S1, S2. B1, B2. S1, S2 on HIMS. All right, so here we go. Liquidity on the same area. This is troublemaking area for Mara. A lot of liquidity swap in the same area. Not a good sign here. The next candle, volume has to low and take down this candle. But volume has to become small volume right on this area. Low volume breakout will change the trend. Otherwise, we are in trouble. Means, again, pull back. Melly Meta 6673. A lot of liquidity swap sweep happening right now. 94.90. You can take the a long synthetic on Netflix. Repeat the trade. We are good here. Netflix trade repeat. Keep monitoring here. This trend will fade, you know that. So this is what happens when the market is going green, okay, and you are looking to short, or so market is going up. Right here, you start looking for the sign of weakness, means the opposite trend. What will be the opposite trend is the sell. So you are waiting for that one, the sign of weakness on the trend. And if you go to 1 minute, I can show you that. Okay, you see that? Up, 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 retrace. This is our internal low for the today on 1 minute time frame. Mark this. This is out of picture. The market will come to this. In a daytime, you will see this mitigation. Next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, doesn't matter. But price will come here and then bounce. I see the sign of weakness. A lot of sell side liquidity right here. None of the candle. A lot of selling pressure in all 3 weeks right in this area. The wicks here is weak. Okay, market was overbought. The pullback is imminent. Here you go. Red candle. It's not difficult when you identify the area. Similar something here. You see that? Very similar. Sell off. All righty. Netflix, nice. Looking for a breakout on this one. GameStop. Right here. Yesterday, I told you we have a put in place. We bought the put on GameStop. It's selling because the The breakout was unsustainable. Again, very similar situation. Bounce, retrace, bounce, retrace, bounce. Continue in the same pattern. Ladder upside. Okay. We have not left any gap on the downside, so the trend is good. It's a stable trend. Meta, MSTR, Netflix. Let's go 1 hour time frame. Still the spread candle. We are going at least about 97. This one. NVDA 180. All right. Rejection at the 50 EMA. We'll be monitoring closely what's happening right now. Yeah, team bullish on the smaller time frame. Change of character. Market will be bullish for the day. Market will be bullish. Only thing, if you want to short, sell the call. Don't short the share today. Because if you short the share here, right away market will push and your share will go in a loss. So short the call, OTM call. Any pullback, the call will turn in green. It's a good day to sell the covered call. Good day to short the, okay, right in this area. What I can do with this one. $5,796. Sometime you have a trade like this one. Like I have now a trade on S&P 500, $191 green, and I can't close it. Okay, that's the problem the market gives you. 75, 675 short gives me 678. If I take this 676, 78 for 24th of December, SPY, I'm trying to take this $190. So 24, 676. Come on. 676, I can sell it. 678, I can buy it. That gives me $400. Not really looking for this one. 694, 300. How do I cut this position? If I sell this call here and 680 gamma flip wall, we are touching 680. That's why I did not short, and I told you don't short it yet. Right here, you see that? This one candle, the shape of this candle was confirmed that this candle will not go down. This particular red candle, which was there. So this is the candle, and the following candle become the same way, then the price will trend. So this left the heavy buying pressure from the downside. You see the wick, and the price went up again. Every time you see the spread candle, that's a non-directional candle. Every time you see the red candle after the dual directional candle, but this should not have a big wick. If there is a big wick downside, that means heavy selling pressure. The buyer will again take over the price. So it should have a small wick or no wick at all. Uh, 5 p.m. Okay. SMCI short put are coming to life again. Very good. That's what we want. I'm looking to short here one more 50-60 combo. 16 January, I have these two put assignment coming up. This I have another 20 put coming for the assignment soon. Okay, I'll continue holding this one. Okay, Mara 996 again. HIMS 35. All right, so we'll push one more time here upside. 680 gamma flip wall. Keep monitoring that one. The price will go up. There's definitely a little bit of a scalping short position possible here. Because why? Because we have a change of character. The previous high is taken. What will happen? The price will retrace and then break out one more time, break of structure. So something like this will happen, like this. Okay. So this internal range, you can do the short scalp quickly, $50, $100. Yeah, you see that? Something like this is coming. $1 or $2, I think, is possible here to scalp. Internal. Tesla 483, nice. The garbage is selling. Oscar 1474 and bounce, very good. Netflix trade is in profit. Circle is doing good. BMNR is doing good, 7%, very good. We'll take that. Okay, what we are looking at, we are facing a resistance here on a 15-minute time frame, but we'll have a breakout. Okay, we'll have a breakout. Equal high right now, this candle, volume fill up completely. The liquidity has been taken by this candle. Next candle, volume low. As I told you, volume has to be low. Next candle, the volume has to be even lower and a breakout candle. Momentum candle on the top. So this is what should happen here. The next, a green candle starting from here, take down this like this, and a volume candle should be smaller. This is what the next candle should look like this one. And then you have a breakout, confirm. It will definitely be a buying candle. APLD 10%, excellent. Amazon 2 to 7. Everyone should have an Amazon in the account right now. NEO going up, but nice. 1 hour time frame. Confirm bullish. TEMA breakout. SPY waking up. 679.56, 679.52. Distribution liquidity right here. Okay, very good. 483.99. Okay. Bitcoin is facing a resistance. Ethereum is okay. Solana is okay. Yeah, everything is good here. Most market is above TEMA bullish. So overall market is bullish. All right. Here the market is facing a strong resistance in this area. Okay. Very strong. It's not breaking out. 680. We have the first awareness Marubozu candle. You see here? This candle. 6 to 7 candle down the line. On 1 minute time frame, next 7 minutes, you'll see the sell-off. 7 to 8 minutes maximum. We have an awareness candle, this one. Hidden seller. You have a BBI $12 call. Okay, you can hold that. That's good. BMNR, you have 300 share. You sell the BMNR covered call. Your break even is 53. Can you buy more BMNR here in this area? Coin 17 share, nothing you can sell. Circle $60 put. Take $145 profit. Why are you holding this? Circle book profit. Circle short put. Book profit. Okay. When you are in profit, you take it. Neo, you hold. Rivian combo, your $927 profit. Close it. Why are you holding 927 when I'm saying Rivian will pull back? Rivian combo, $927 profit. You need to take the profit. You're sitting with $1,000 profit on the account and you're watching it. Take it. 927 plus 145. That's roughly about 1,070. Yeah, take that profit. And then This $1,070 profit which you just booked, buy the BMNR share of that entire profit. Put that profit into BMNR right now and bring your average down. Let me see. Okay, oh shit, so many messages I didn't even look at here. Yes, I hardly wait. Thank you, Sunny, for the class. Okay. Should I keep holding the Mara call till the end? Yes, you keep holding the Mara call. Yes, Mara call is always a repeat. Netflix right now. Wait, yeah, repeat. We already did. CoreView. Wow, yeah, CoreView. This was the breakout we were looking at. I clearly told you the first we will go up. This one. If you remember yesterday call, right from here, we'll have an upside. This upside before the next sell-off. So right here, internal demand. This demand is repeating here. SPY bull now. Sunny, look at the CoreView. Yeah, I saw it last night. It's on fire. Yeah, MU CoreView, beautiful. Wow, amazing, praise God. Thank you. Okay, will CoreView have pullback time? Yes, not right now. So what will happen on the CoreView? Let me show you. CoreView, you see this demand from this particular area. This is your minimum demand here on the CoreView. Nothing can stop that. The price will minimum has to go this area, which is 90 area. This is minimum. So even if you're at 77, you don't have to run, oh, let's exit quickly. No, you have more upside. If I need to look for an exit, I'll be exactly looking at this candle right here, which is 86 area. Until 86 is good to hold. Okay, that's the closing of this candle. So there is nothing to worry about. You can have the trade. We'll see 9.94 in the spin first. We'll have 18. Which one? Mara? Soundhound? Yes, Soundhound. What are you looking at? Soundhound, we are waiting for the breakout. Soundhound cannot continue selling right here. We have this internal supply right here. This one was your internal taken. This one was your next internal taken. This was your extreme low, equal low. The only side is the price going up. There is nothing else. Soundhound has to go to this point, this order block. Sell side order block, yeah, about 18 area. If it's choppy a little bit choppy in this area because we haven't yet started the trend, okay? So if one or two red candle comes today, tomorrow, don't panic on that one. Eventually the price is, this has only one way street, Soundhound, upside, that's it, nothing else. But right here, because we don't have a trend started yet, and that's why we may be one or two, three candle choppy on the left, right side, right here. Unless we break the top of this candle, I'll be opening a position right here. Okay, I don't care right now, even if it's trading at 1098, I do have a short put. My entry will be right here. If I show you my entry on Soundhound, but that point I'll be buying big right away, like 10-15,000 share. Okay, so you see this independent candle, this independent, these are all engulfing candle. First breakout of this candle right here, which is 1165. Right now trading at 11, I don't care. I can buy more here and make another 65 cents. But if you want to buy the confirmation, 1165, green candle breaking 1165, you should have your entry. Something like this. Let's say green candle comes here and fail here. Okay, this is not your buy candle. Next green candle comes from here to here and goes here. 1165, that's your entry right here. And then first price target here, which is your 1312, and the next is 18. Buy this candle at 1165. So keep monitoring this. All righty, let's see. Bloody hell, I have a lot of profit on the account and I can't close. I hate this kind of situation, because most of the trade are strangled, stuck with other trade and all this, like SXL. Why I'm not selling some more call? There is no point. Okay, no. Bitcoin 87. 2 days back, someone was like in panic again. Why the Bitcoin is selling? It's not going anywhere. As long as the Bitcoin, there are a lot of people in panic. Oh, crypto is selling this and this. They don't understand nothing is selling unless this point is taken. Unless this low is taken from 21st of November, nothing is selling. We are still in a bull run. This is bullish from here. Let me show you. This is bull run going on and people are panicking. You see this one? Boy. It takes years to train your psychology and have confidence. It's going upward from this point, from 21st November. Market is not selling. All right. Solana, 125.82. Solana, I need to mark the bottom. We have the previous low liquidity gone. Need to go around 203. This time, my upside price target on Solana is 203, by the way. Okay, it's no longer 262, which was this run when it was at started trading at 140. We were looking for 262, and the price went to 253. We were very close. Okay, this time the price is not 262; it's only 203.13. So make sure you know that. SoFi, Tempest AI. Yeah, Tempest AI, I told everyone yesterday to short the put. Someone asked the question about Palantir. Okay, someone was showing yesterday a head and shoulder on this one, okay? And that head and shoulder already failed. Lee maybe finally found the bottom. Yeah, Lee is a good stock. Don't panic. There's nothing. It's a good stock, Lee. Okay, what are you doing? Close 4. Yeah, credit. Take the credit. 414.15. Do the midpoint. Start with 510 and then keep going a few cents. 5.10. Then keep dropping 5 cents by 5 cents. That's it. All right, TSPY 676 call. How the hell do I adjust the straight? One, you know, when you click something wrong on the button, and this could really put you in trouble. Yesterday, I made 4 typing errors. I was shocked. BMNR is bullish. BMNR is bullish. SoundHound has not yet found the bottom. Okay, not yet. Because right now we have this range bound area right here. You see this particular candle? These 3 candles is nothing. They are just engulfing in this one. And engulfing means this particular candle is not good. I don't like the position of this candle. Okay. And if I show you in the past, look here, spread candle, down, down, spread, down, down, spread, spread, and then small down. Means contraction of this entire pattern is going on here, like smaller version of this. I'll be stopping the stream at 10:30 because I need to go somewhere. Okay, but I'll be in the Discord. Market is green. If you want to sell something, sell the call. Sell the covered call. Don't short the put. Put you sell when the day is red, not today. Damn, CRWV call options are 400% up. Yeah, so book the profit. What's the problem? That's why you are here. I don't know why I feel the hood, the breakout is coming. This is perfect setup for the breakout. You have this one. You see this, the demand side gap. You have this, nothing left on the sell side. This gap. You see this gap here. this gap. This gap will fill. I really want the big entry at 102, to be honest. I don't really want 102, the hood to fall. But mathematically and the logically, it's showing a bullish sign right here, right from here. Lucid, I'm not a big fan of this. I've been shorting since 57, and after that, it has gone through the 100 of a reverse split. But I loved it stock when it went public. Oh my God. This was the only stock where I made money, like the quickest money. When ticker symbol used to be CCIV, and then it converted into LCID back in 2022 or 2021, I think. No, 2020, right in the COVID. Yeah, 2020. I used to scalp like $7,000-8,000 every few minutes on this one. Like, it was wild. Those days are gone. That's the problem in the market. Always remember this. It's a very important thing. When you're new, you make a lot of money. When you learn the inside out of the markets, I can guarantee you your profit and the risk will decline. Both. You will not take the risk, and you will not take the risk, then you will not make big hit. You will not hit the big trade, because then you know the shit inside. No, I'm not saying. You asked where is the good entry. That's why I told you if Ethereum dropped to 2626, that's a good entry. I never told you BMNR will crash here. These are two different things. Read your question. You said, when should I look for an entry? If you want to buy BMNR, a better entry all in, then wait for Ethereum to crash to 626. If it doesn't crash, you don't have an entry. Simple. Here, BMNR is bullish. Okay. Now, if you want to know where you should enter, and if you don't have a trade, we all have a trade. And if you don't have a trade, then you wait. If you're lucky, Ethereum drops and you can have a better entry on this one. These are two different things. We already have an entry. We've been trading for the last 30 days. Because if you have an entry with us, then this question should not come. That where should I make an entry? Because we already have it. Why you are looking for an entry on BMNR? Yeah, CRWV, we are good to hold. Yeah. CRWV is just starting. It's just one candle on a daily time frame. The trend will go long. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I told you that we have an internal demand coming on CRWV. Luckily, it got supported by some news as well. Yeah. But if you want to hold long, you hold. If you want to scalp, then you must exit here. Yep, that was a good entry. Look for entry on a red days. Any stock. Never buy on a green day. Today, there is nothing to buy. Don't buy it today. Today, you sell the call. Covered call. Sell something today because it's green. Don't try to buy something today. That's where people go wrong. When it's green, they think, oh, market is going up, let me buy something. No. The buy was a day before. That's why we are green today. You're buying someone else exit. People, those who bought it yesterday, they are selling today for the profit, and you are buying that garbage. Today is not the buy. If tomorrow everything is red, that's where your buy is. When people are taking loss, then you buy their loss. I don't buy anything on a green day. I'm not opening any trade. I'll be just selling few call left, right, here, there, and that's it. $94.76. Netflix. 3-minute, 1 hour time frame. SPY. You see that? Since morning, it has not been able to break 680. Flip wall. This is where we were looking at exhaustion level. The market is already in exhaustion. So no breakout on SPY today. We have reached 680 gamma flip wall right in this area. Yeah, you see that? SPY. Go to 1 minute time frame. Okay. So, all righty. VWAP is here, 678, $2 drop is possible. 638, 682.52. Review and SMCI. Circle is doing nice. Mara is waking up. This line, as long as the Mara hold this line, we are in safe zone on this line, right low of this candle. Meta. Now you understand why we sold the covered call, 680 call on the Meta. This was the reason, because the price was contracting under the resistance. So before the breakout happens, market can take a troll on retail investor. Stock is bullish. Neo, come on, change of character, bullish. So another pullback and bounce. Yes, Mara was a gift. I told you it's undervalued. Mara is literally 300% undervalued, not $1 or $2. This is not an $11 stock. This is $20 plus stock. And it was here, if you look at carefully. Right here, you see that? This stock belongs to north of $20. Right here, you see that? 23. And then it went to $98. That's a pure manipulation because of the Bitcoin. It's the second biggest miner and Bitcoin holder. The stock deserves to be somewhere, like, to be, my range is like, come down to 15, go to 21, 18, 19, 21, then come back to 17. Like, that range, $20, $1, $2 upside and $3, $4 downside, like 16 to 22. That's where this is a fair value for Mara. It should belong to that area. And this area, you see the consolidation like 15, 17 right here. Look at this one. Since May, we were in this area, 15, then 13, 15, 13, 15, then went up 21, came to 15 again. So this is the area where the stock belongs. This your point of control line, 15, 16 area. That's a right price. Mara, like justified valuation. Anything above 20 becomes a little bit overbought. Anything below 16 become oversold and come back to 15. That's the range it should belong. This is highly overvalued, or like undervalued right now. Look at this one. This was trading here, 30, 35. This is like criminally undervalued stock. And Amazon too. Amazon belongs to 300 area now. And I'm unable to sell the combo. Why are you unable to sell the combo? What's going on? Sell combo, January 26 call, put. What's going on? Show me your trade. In front of your trade, there are 3 dots. You click on that 3 dots and you say close. You have a $16 call, $13 put, and you have on Rivian. You must close this trade, otherwise the stock will pull back and you lose the profit. Now your profit is over $1,000. You take it. Okay, let's close your trade. $16 call for 16 January, $13 put, Rivian. 16 January, you have $16 call which you need to sell. Okay, $13 put which you need to buy. What? Short put. Oh, 18 June. Oh, yes, that's the problem. Okay, you have a calendar spread here. Okay, so 13 June. Okay, so 16th of January, and then we go to 16th. Okay, June. Okay, 18th of June, $13 put you need to buy. You buy this, go to 16. I'll give you the price. So 16 call, you sell. Go for 477, and your order will fill. 223. Go for 477. Go for $4.77. You will make 244, 2.44 multiplied by 400. You'll make about $976 on this one. So good enough. Yeah, just take 477 and your order will fill. All righty. Can you suggest the short put for the Mara? Add the money 18 June. All trade on Rivian should close. QS, the puts are in profit. We'll continue holding this one. Do not try to rush the profit. It's a tiny profit right now. Yeah, see, I told you it will fill. Look. Now, don't ask me how did I know, okay? Right here. So what did I say? 477? Learn to play with the spread. When you have the bid and ask spread, you should know where your order will fill. Filled. So go for 477, filled at 477. You made about $976. $976 profit. So that's a nice Christmas gift for you. That's it. Not 97, 976. That's it. BMNM. Show me your account. What's going on here? BMN covered call. You put this $1,000 into BMN, buy more share here, and then sell 3 covered call. Yes. That's right. Yep. Buy 30 share, then sell 3 covered call for $54. February, and you are done with this one. I'll close it from here. Sound on 1092. See, that's what I was telling you. This particular candle, I'm not interested. Okay, because this is not showing any sign of recovery in this particular candle. 1125 quantum scape short put, green. NVDA, green. SPY, luckily we have not shorted yet, and we should not short yet. Scalp is there, definitely. There's a $1 scalp. 100% sure. I see the exhaustion in the market. But if this candle closed the spread, like the wick upside and downside, I will not take the short position here. Never short this shape of this candle. Pay attention. Put it in your photographic memory. You see this candle shape, the wick upside small and downside. Never short this candle. You will regret if you short this candle. I have 100 QS. You have 100 QS. Why you want to sell the covered call? Hold it. It's fine. You have a lot of upside. Volume fill up. So buyer disappear. There is a hidden buyer here somewhere. Okay. Hold quantum skip is all right. There is not much downside here. We can hold uncovered. Buyer need to step in right now. Push. Come out. Come out. I know you are hidden behind this candle. Step up. Big boys. Step up. Sorry, yeah, 481 on the Tesla, 5-minute time frame. We're looking at going to 1-minute time frame. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Low volume, divergence, not here. Ugly chart here. 1770, they have dumped on the volatility. Volatility crushed. High put, back in profit. A 5-minute and we have to stop the stream because I'll be going somewhere. Should we short the Rivian now? Why you short the Rivian? No. You just stay away from Rivian. That's it. Every time the stock goes up and it comes down, doesn't mean that you start shorting. You don't short here. Okay. You don't short here. On a 4-hour time frame, if you look at why you don't short, the market is in momentum. You don't short the momentum, but you book the profit and wait and watch. Tesla, yeah, no, overall it has a lot of downside. It's fine. We have a sell side liquidity right here. Again, the price spin here. It's a dual directional candle. I will not short this particular candle on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, there has to be the next red candle. The price is above all EMAs. So once the price tank, it will give you enough opportunity. You don't have to rush here. The candle, what Tesla can do, Tesla can go from here and precisely go to this point. Pay close attention and leave a little bit gap here. Right here. You see the gap above this, below this, right here, a little bit of gap, and then tank. So you don't short here. 678, 74, right here. This is what we were looking at. Nice. Okay, there is a buyer here. Buyer here. Okay, I'll call the Uber when you're ready. And then I'll continue the... I know the address, but shall I call it now? Okay, give me 2 minutes. 400 Avenue, Sakroa, okay. I know this area. Right next to the office. Come on, man, go. 400 Avenue Sakroa. Okay. 4 minutes away. Ready in 4 minutes? Okay. Give me 1 second. Right, requested, connecting to driver. Come on. All right, 4 minutes. Toyota Rave, blue color. That's the only car coming to our door. That's it. On your WhatsApp now. Lady driver. All right. Go take your phone. All right. Here. See that? When I was looking at the SMCI, I told you there is a hidden buyer here. And they push the candle. Again, the candle short. They are hiding here. Right in this candle, looking at this candle, this particular candle. Not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. Looking at this candle, I knew it, the buyer is hiding here in this candle. Now go figure out. I'll explain you tonight, like in the evening. There was S1 area on this candle. Otherwise, there would have been no S1. Okay. Spread. That's why I did not take a short position. I was watching. Still, I did not short this because I knew it's not a good idea to short here. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Okay. Cover call are too cheap on the SMCI and HIMS. Yeah. Who told you sell on HIMS and SMCI? These stock have to run. Hold it. Not yet. Don't sell call on HIMS and SMCI. There is no volatility in the market. Look at this one, Wix. There is no volatility. Premium goes up when there is a volatility in the market, and that's when you sell. There's no volatility means there is no premium. The volatility will come back, premium will shoot up again. Okay, how do I take this trade? Bloody hell, there is nothing, no trade today. Ooh. Something needs to be done. See, that's what I was talking about. Hidden buyer, they push the candle up. If now we leave a tiny gap here, just tiny gap, right up, and then next sell-off will be big. Watch here. Mara on 15-minute Uno card playing here. Meta 662. Yeah, nothing is moving. That's right. I know. I haven't taken any trade today. Nothing. Anyone who is looking for excitement in the trading industry, or if you want to become a trader and you want excitement, my honest opinion is, you know what is honest opinion? Quit trading, go home, take a big blanket and sleep, and don't wake up. Don't even think in a dream that you will become a trader if you want the excitement in this area. It should not come to your wild dream that this is the excited place to be. It's a boring looking at chart hours and hours and hours and hours and finding one trade. APLD, Amazon. Okay, 31, nice bounce right here. Okay, so this is what I was looking at right in this area. This low volume candle should break the previous high. The wick is taken. The next candle spin, which is not so good. The price has to start another uptrend. This is engulfing candle. So I will take this as a continue of the trend. Come on. Breakout upside. So far is good. DVLT. Nice. Hood. I really want this stuff at 102. I not GJP. Mayo. Okay, Mayo is coming back. Resolve is coming back. Nice. MSTR yesterday I told you short the put at this point. Bull circle. GameStop. Let me see if I can close my calls on GameStop. Does it deserve to be closed, or there's a more downside? Spread. I'll close my call at this point. Where's the big money hiding today? Where is the big money hiding? NVDA, SPYMU, Palantir, there we go, Meta, CRWV, okay, CRWV, okay, Tesla again, wow. People think Tesla is overvalued. SXL again, tiny green, okay, SXL, I have SXL trade. Bloody hell, come on, I need to close few trade. I need to close. What do I close? Mara. There's no premium on Mara. Mara instrument you see. Alrighty. Super bearish. What's going on here? Head and shoulder pattern. Where is it coming from? Yeah, you already hit here. Okay, down, further down. Okay, 29 days. This came on. When the hell this analysis came? November 23, 30th. Where did this come from? And I showed 29th of November. Okay, 13th of November. Okay. Amazon. When you're looking for the day low, you look for 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we'll pull back from here because you have this thing and the candle right here. This was broken down, holding at the point. Yeah, most likely we'll fail this candle down. There's a fair value gap here on 30-minute time frame. This gap. Oh, I can hush you. Good candle. Yep. Now you see clear. See the gap. When you are in Heiken Hashi, generally you don't see the gap. This is not the pattern for the gaps. All the candle here. Woo. Rain started. Some people trade these candles. I don't understand what the hell this candle is. I don't know how they can trade this. OHLC. Okay, you want to find out where this will pull back? Right here. You see that? Right in this area. The entry will be here. 22536. Amazon. There will be a reference point 22536 here. On a 30-minute time frame, what do you see? 22536 was the price target. 22511, previous low right in this area. 22583 area right here. We're negative on this one. We'll retest. Yep, that's right. Melly, Hive, Circle, Bull. Hold your BMNR. Hold your BMNR. This is where the money will be made. $10.73. Let's sell some call on this if we have a premium something. Bloody hell, there is no premium. Nope. There's no premium. DJT put we added yesterday. DJT is flying again. Right away the put came in profit. And I thought the market is already closed. I couldn't close it. Okay, so if this tank here, wave 3 going on. Nice bounce. This piece of shit is finally waking up after so much time. Can you believe this? $17.18 area. Hold BMNR? Yes, 100% hold BMNR. BMNR has a lot of upside. You see this? This was the low point right here. 24.46. Where is the high point? Right here. 61.16. Why do you want to give up your share for when you have this much run? And this run is coming from here precisely. You see this? Then you drag this and you paste it here. Okay. So it's good to hold. You have this trend line coming down from here. What do you see? 2 times you see the gap in the demand. Okay. This point and move this point here. So there is no gap here, but we have 2 gap here. 1 and 2. Okay. Now you want to know where the price will go. So first you take this demand, exactly this much, take it here, take this gap, put it here. Okay, take this gap, put it here, and this is where your price is going, right here, 56. This is where the price is going. This is also the closing of this spread candle. Closing here, exact match, take down, internal liquidity, out, stay below the previous high. So this price is here, this order block, sell side order block here. You see that? BMNR and CoreView, these are 2 different products. You can't compare. CoreView has a lot to prove. Don't bet big on CoreView yet. Okay. CoreView has a lot to prove. It's a new IPO and the market cap is all about contracting, this and that. So I wouldn't be very confident about CoreView. It's a good stock, good company, product is nice, everything is fine, but it has a lot to prove yet. CRWV is not NVDA, you need to understand. It's not Palantir, okay? When a baby started, CRWV is like a baby who's starting walk. So it will fell down a couple of times before it even learned how to stand properly. So that's where the CRWV is. Like this. You see this is just an internal demand and then another sell-off. We're in a complete downtrend. This demand came. Let me show you what's going on here. This demand came because we left the gap here. You see that? You take this demand right here and you take this gap here. And you see that why the demand ended here? Right pinpoint to this one. Where the price is going now, we have this demand here, take this demand here, and maximum we have this gap. We take this gap here, and you have this resistance versus trend line. That's it. You see that the pink line here? It's precisely matching here. This is your top of like right here, this point, which is 120 area, maximum 120 area. Nothing can cross CRWV above 120. And then what will happen? This shit will appear once again. This thing. Then it will be here. You see, this is what will happen. And then you see where's the top? Where is the bottom of this one? Right here. You see a little bit here. Where do you see 47.63? That's why it will go to 46. No one in this world can stop this. 46.87, and I told you long back it will go to 46. And the 46 is this order block here. Everything is a mathematics in the chart. There's nothing random, because 90% of trading is done by the algorithm, and algorithm follow the same pattern because the same formula they are running on. They are running on mathematics. And that's why once you decode how the market is being played, you know that what the hell is going on. So bounce from here, then sell off 46 is the bottom, and then never look back. The real move will come from here and take down all internal liquidity right here. Like all these points, this one, above 150. So from 46, then the real move will come. Okay. Yes, 46, you put everything on, everything in CRWV. You sell all your position and buy CRWV. Till then, you keep trading. All right, DJT, trend finished, done. BMNR 30.43. Let me log into my other accounts and see. Scotia Bank. Amazon is red. GameStop is red. HIMS is red. Meta is pulling back. Meta, yes. That's why we have a 680 call in place, because I knew it. Sooner or later, it will pull back, and the call will be eaten by theta decay. Come on, Scotia Bank. Why the banking trading website is like super slow? They're running a billions of dollar business and they don't understand. Cut the fees in half, hire better people to run their platform. What the hell is wrong with these guys? Okay, here. Okay, so what I'm looking at, I'm looking at what can I buy? I can add some Neo on my account. Share itself. I haven't bought it for a while. 16 January. Okay, that gives me 198. I don't need. This gives me 492. Bloody hell, there is no premium on Neo. Actually, entire market has lost the premium because of the IV crash. Come on, boys. Come on. $478. You see that what's happening to all the excited kids? See that? All those who are pounding their chest like a gorilla. We are going to 600. First slow, then all in. You piece of shit, you'll be holding the bag here when you go all in at 480. I love it when I see this nonsense on Twitter here and there. Tesla to the moon, to the Astromeda, to the Mars, and to, you have no idea where they keep sending the stock. They don't understand. They drive on the road. Tesla to Astromeda. I never understand one small thing in life, okay? Like this one. This is the daily chart, or let's say this is the weekly chart. Why people don't understand that this chart, one big run, down, another big run. What's next? Down? Why the hell they don't understand? The institution is also watching this, the same chart. They're also looking at, okay, you are excited? Let's go. Be our exit liquidity. Oh boy. Same people, those who are excited here, let me tell you that. Those who were excited here, every single day they're tweeting, oh, we are going to 600, we are going to 700, we are going to moon, we are going there, we are going that. Without ticket, we are going to moon. Without rocket. These people, same people will be scared to buy this stock back at 298. Exactly the same people. 298, they'll be saying, no, this is garbage. This is pathetic. Tesla is going to go bankrupt. They will talk all the nonsense at 298. Those who are all excited at 498. NVDA. Do we have something on NVDA here? We still have $12 upside left. Breakout of the symmetrical triangle. Confirm. Yep. Daily time frame. We are heading into breakout. This falling wedge. Straight look here. 211. Wow. Internal liquidity 1, internal liquidity 2. I'll take 196 minimum. That's the area that I'll be interested in. Nice bounce. Oh man, I don't have a trade today. What the hell is going on? There is nothing to trade. Oracle, here we go. A lot of people were in panic, right? Oh shit, it's going down. It might file a bankruptcy, this, that. Now the same people will be thinking, why the hell I didn't average out when it was at 177. First price target 225 minimum. We have here something on the Palantir now. QS, okay, QS seems promising here. Yeah, we have a short put. We'll continue holding this. Okay, what's your question here? Whose question is this? Okay, down. Do you think the SPI will get a pullback today? Today? Today, it's already done here. This pullback is already done. We are kind of this much. A little bit, yes. Look at this one, what's going on right now. You see this gap here? That's a confirmed sell-off. Alrighty. On a smaller time frame, it's pulling back. Yes. Where is your 680? Where's your 680 call? Meta 650 call is not red. It's not in the loss. We have booked the profit enough and we have sold the 680 call at the break even. So let the trade settle on 16th of January for no profit, no loss. Doesn't matter if it's showing 50% red in front of this. We are not losing any dollar on this. You need to understand the trade as a whole. You have taken 2 to 3 times profit on this one. It doesn't work in the market like this. Whatever is in my pocket is mine and I want more. You already taken the profit. Now let the trade settle for 16 January. Leave the call to expire. You don't have to do anything on this. There's no premium in the market. What the hell are we do? Let's look at the market trend. All righty, put call both going down. Volume is dropping all across now. 679. That's what I told you. This selling off, pulling back. The volume is on the drop. Tesla SPY is on the top. Net premium $51 million. Let's look at if there is something interesting trade is happening in the market. MSTR 290 call 15th of May. Okay, interesting. 1,000 contract, 739 premium, 290 call. Tesla 457 put. Interesting. MU250 TMAS SSN. Okay, this one is interesting. Tesla 457 put. Let's say here, Daku. Here we go. SPY. GLSI. Okay. Pop. CFR, RTDT, Selcher priority. Here. ऊपर से लगे chief legal officer. Chief finance officer. Say one. Okay. Whale field TQQ. You need to scan hell of data, before you learn trading. Okay, SX. SOXX is getting a lot of it here. You see that? SOXX, short SOX, part opposite of SOXL. A lot of ask going on. But that was on 21st of November. Okay. Go to the time. What's going on here? QQQM, TQQQ, Tempest AI ask. Okay. No, this is something else. Oh, Tempest AI, yes. SPY ask 678, 678. Today, 19 December. 678.86. Where is SPY right now? 5 minute, if the pullback happens, then we'll be taking a long position right here. We want the pullback. We won't short it here, but we'll wait for the long position once again. Tesla bit. IWMPP asks gold. Volume is really dead in the market right now. Nothing catching my eyes. Okay. 1674 DJT, 1675, 1691. Bloody hell. No interesting trade here. Ask. Where is that? Intraday only, regular hours. Where the hell is the ask gone? Nope. Again, bounce from here. They'll keep the market elevated today because the GEX was very bullish all across the board. Arabian still pushing. 2181. What do you see the high? 2181. What does it say here? What does it say here? Rivian will be 2188 on 11th of December. Where is the Rivian today? High 2181, 7 cent precise on November 29th, right when the price was here. Even down here somewhere. Here. Let's tease some kids. Come on, go. Why I can't find a trade today? What's going on? Even this website is very slow. Let's close this from here. 279. Yeah, you see here the game. The market is elevated today completely. That's why I told you don't rush to short. You just sell OTM call. 279.86. They'll take it to 680, 679.93 right here. And hands-free driver attention. Okay. They will take it to 80 once again. All right, here gonna flip. Rivian dollars 21.81. It means $21.88. This guy here. Okay, 993. Who do you see? This candle and this candle is the same shit here and here. It's trying to mimic. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay, SPY. Okay, SPY shot here. Nice drop. Okay. Struggling in this area right here. Okay. So, where are you going? Double top, minor liquidity, buying, and sweep here. Where is this coming from? Okay, this point, okay. Break the resistance here. Here, okay. Failing to break. This candle coming here. And what did happen? This candle, okay. So 1, 2, and then tank. Alrighty, so we're looking at this area. So we are looking at this area here. Okay, one candle here. Lower high. Okay. So this trend coming from here to break this range. We'll have this drop. Alrighty. Okay, so this line will be monitoring the breakdown of this line. As long as we hold the yellow line, we are bullish. Once we break the yellow line, we'll crash on SOX. Once the price cross the yellow line downward, right away we'll buy the call on SOXS. This exact pattern. Alrighty, so okay, makes sense here. Okay, 2175. Come on, do something. VWAP is falling here. This entire setup here is bullish. Okay, it's like a kind of a consolidation before next breakout upside. So 685.85, which was the price target alerted yesterday, is very likely to happen on Monday, Tuesday. Like this thing will repeat. And that makes you go to precisely 685 area. Okay, what happened? SPY. Okay, scalping SPY. One shot closed. Tiny, but it's okay. Just for bloody $30. Sometimes it's so boring. Sold in loss, as you mentioned. In this, what do you mention? Why would you sell in loss? That's the problem. We all are holding Meta, and you sold at loss. What can I do? Oh wow, you sold 680 call at the loss. Excellent. That's what you do. None of us did that. What you are trying to do here is trying to capture 720 to 760, forgetting that the theta is very heavy on us, on our call. That's why the trading is not easy, because you need to look 100 of different things. You just forgot about the theta to eat up your call. $41.65 bullish. Come on, where is Meta? Oh, come on, it will take time to load. I need to be here. Meta 6576. Okay. 16 January. We still have 30 days. If you hold, you'll be good, I think. Once you expose yourself, then you you open up the problem for us. Okay, so I do have the awareness Marubazu green. Another pump is coming exactly this much, the 680 area. So I think this should be okay if you hold 680. Let me try to do another scalp here. I'm just scalping on like 1 minute time frame. I'm really nothing in the market. Bloody hell. I just scalped for $30. What the hell is that? Come on. Because most of my trade are locked heavily. Yeah, you see that bouncing off the resistance. One more high is coming. $680.27. Sell 100 shares. I'm just scalping a little bit for $30 here, right within 1 minute. There's nothing much in the market. There's no volatility, nothing. Everything looks like frozen in time. It's green, that's a good sign, but look at this one. Even 1 minute, the chart is not moving. What the hell is going on? How the hell are we supposed to make money fast? Okay, let's go. $15 seconds. All right. Come on. This is bullish right here. This is bullish setup. So even if you look at the red candle, It's bullish. Look here. S1, S2 candle, right? This one, the red candle. And here you go with the green candle there. Okay, selling. Okay, volume fill up. This is our principal candle here. We just broke it. Okay. All right. 15-second time frame. Come on, come on, come on. Bounce. Bounce up. Reclaim it. Reclaim. Everyone is trying to defend this. Come on, go up. Go up. Don't sell here. Don't sell here. This is not the point to sell. Wow. Woo. This candle needed to come here after this. Too early. We can't capture this. Okay. I cancel my order. 15 seconds is like too fast. Too fast. You can't even see the pattern coming. Generally, 5 minutes is more reliable, where you have like calm down and you can figure out what's going on. 15 seconds is literally like algorithm trading. Okay, liquidity sweep again in this candle, again bullish. Come on, push, take this blue line, take this. Go up, yes, good. Finally. No, BMNR, I'm not trimming anything. BMNR, I'm pushing my entire position into next year. I will have a lot of gain on this position. I have a huge position, over 40,000 shares. So I want to push it into next year. Like this year, I'm selling call plus minus a little bit on BMNR. I want to push the entire profit of the position into next year. And I'm sure the first 2 weeks of January, they will like fly the market, which I already see the GEX positive all across the board right now. Okay, again taking, holding 50 EMA. What's going on here? We don't have 15-second time frame here. Nothing, no. Custom, okay, let's see. No. They don't have a smaller time frame, less than 1 minute. Wow. 680.28. Come on. Hi, does anyone have an opinion on keeping core view call or set a stop loss? What call? 91.20 you are looking at? 91.20 call today? Soundhound recovering? It's a question mark. What is question mark? It's recovering. Don't you see the price? Look. It's going up. What do you need? It's gone up. Look. Today itself. I have a short put on Soundhound. Come on, boy. Come on. It sold too early. I had a limit order 680.27 to short, and it did not take my order. Bloody hell. Right here, I wanted to have a sell order. Oh, right here. 680.27. Come on, bounce one more time. Oh boy, 50 cents. I lost another $50. Go to 680.27. Give us the price here so we can short. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Push one more time. Push off the 34 EMA. Yes, you can. Okay, 679.92. Okay, pushing. Very good. Push. Give us this area here. Give us here. That's it. Give us 680.27. Quick. Don't waste our time. Give us 680, 679, 679, 86, 677, 90. Push one green candle here. Come on. Push the price up. Good. Keep going. Like a way. 679.90. Do another 30 cent. Do it. 1, 2, 3. Push. Yes. Excellent. Go. A small candle breakout. Yep. Push. Well done. That's like a good boy. Keep doing. Push. A little bit more. Push up. No. Oh, okay. I'm on a 15 second. I need to go on 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Give us 680.27. Nice. Push. Send it where we need it. Come on. 680. Good. Another 27 cent. 3. Okay, good. 680 plus. Good. 680.03. 4. Push here. This area, fill the gap. Come on. Keep pushing. Don't fail here. We need this gap to fill. Come on. Give us one more shot upside here. And then we take a shot. Come on, a weak candle. Holding 680, gamma flip wall. Oh, should we scalp on Tesla then? Because this is not working. Too slow. Too less. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Bullish trend. $679.85, 680.03 SPY. Market is pushing upside from here. 09. Excellent. Go a little bit more, another 18 cent. Nice. Keep going. 19. Keep going. Take this candle here. This gap. If this gap cut by half and then sell off, there will be a big sell off. This particular area you need to pay attention right now. If the price comes here and then sell off. Heavy selling pressure again in this area. The seller are very active here. You see this wick, this area, this entire blue area, seller are strong. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push. A little bit more push. 680.28. 33 push. Okay. What happened? Short order filled. Okay, 680.50. Short order filled. Okay. Okay, we'll be scalping quickly on this one for $20-$30. My short order is filled here, 680.50. Okay, let's go to a smaller time frame. It's pushing higher. Okay, 37. Good, good. Pull back. Pull back now. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Give me $30 and I'm out. Because it's a very small gain we have to do. Come on, pull back a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, mitigation equal high. Now is the real game begins, whether it will push or it will fail. Okay. What happened here? What's going on? Where is my order? What the hell? Where did my order go? Okay, where did my order go? Okay, it's here. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, refresh. Okay. SPY again, 1 minute time frame. Okay, $15. Give me one red candle. Give me one red candle here. Okay, $25. Small. We don't have a choice. I'm literally scalping $30 profit. Ah, shit. Really bad. Because when we are shorting on a green day, even 30 is like winning a lottery, I'm telling you. All right. Good. All right. So, okay. 37.40. Okay. Coin, if you're watching, you can look on this screen. Okay, what we are looking on the coin, we are, first of all, we are in a symmetrical triangle upside. Okay, we are in the wedge pattern, this one. So if you want to know where the coin will go, this is where the coin will go. And if you are panicking on coin, trust me, I'll throw you off the building. This is what the move is coming. This move. This is how much it will run. And I will precisely take it from here. So stock will go here. If anyone panicking on the coin, this is where this stock belongs, $550. And I'm telling you, this will happen in no time. Be ready for this move. And where this move is coming from, it's coming from here, just for your information. One move, down, another move, down, another move. That will be the end of the bull market on coin. It means after that, it will enter the bear territory completely. And then again, we'll go through a major correction like this one or this one. So we're ending the downtrend on coin. This is where stock will go, 500. I think our price target in the group is 515 or 511 something. So this leg will happen, I'm telling you. When you know this much of run is coming, and then you don't make your account pump 300 to 400%, that's what the problem is. I'm telling you in advance, from here to here, this is how much it will run. And when it will go here, then you'll be asking, oh, I missed the trend. Here you go. What did I say? Okay, I'm closing this trade for $40 again. SPY short closed $32 again. Okay, I'll take it. 31.90. Yeah, I'll take 31.90. It's fine. All right, closed. Okay, got 33. Okay, it's fine. So shorted here on 1 minute time frame, right here. SPY. I told you my order is filled. When it was filled, right here. 1 minute scalping, even $30 is good. So this one, yeah. So right here, this candle right here. Okay. I don't have a choice. I will have to do little bit. Again, the market is in bullish trend, and if you look at this one, this particular point, when in the bull trend, you know, this is the area that you should be paying attention. Every time price comes to 34 EMA and bounce, you see that 1 time, 2 time, again, look here. So do not hold your short position or put or anything below the pink line, because from here again will bounce. This is the maximum drop down here. That's it. Because this is maintaining this and then marking the higher high. Now, once we mark the another high here, then again we will target this run downward, shorting another trade. I'm out. It took a short scalp here, then here, and then again green. So ready for another short selling higher than previous point, higher than this point. This is where I'll be shorting. 680.70 area. And what do you see here? On a 1 minute time frame. What was the previous day high? Right here. You see that? What was the previous day high? 680. Where is this coming from? 680.80. Previous day high right here. Yeah, 680.74. Previous day high. And 1, 2, 3, 680.75. Previous day high. So I'll be shorting another trade here. 680.75 area. Target will be another like maximum $50-$60 profit. That's it. Not much. So pay close attention to the pink line. Rejection. Hidden buyers. Hidden buyers. B1, B2 on the red candle right here. In this candle. There are hidden buyers in this candle. Okay. Let's go push it again. Push. Push from here. Push. Make it a pin bar candle. A piece of shit. Go up. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go green. Go green, go green. Go green. This is not the time to sell. Go up. See how precisely the candle bounce of the 34 EMA? Touch and bounce. This is what I told you. Pay attention to this particular candle and the pink line. Okay, back, same retest. failed. But this wick failure is not considered as a failure. If the candle cross it, then it's a failed. Again holding. The body is still above the 34 EMA. So it's still in a same pattern. Still bullish. This was mentioned, but I'm not able to on the video. Coin. Yeah, okay. What's the question coming on coin? I just did coin 2-minute backs. Okay, let's understand on a broader time frame what's going on the coin. You want to pinpoint the bottom? We'll pinpoint the bottom. Today we have done the day low for sure. Okay. Okay, so we go here. Do we have a buy side gap? No, we have a little bit. Okay. Do we have a sell side gap? No. Do we have a buy side gap here? No. So this candle was the bottom. Okay. Now, where are we going? We'll see this kind of up ramp. So expect this kind of trend, like this one. Okay, slow upside uptrend. This point, the wick was the Fibonacci retracement of this entire trend. 61.0878. Okay, yeah, we'll have a recovery on the coin. On the weekly, what's on the daily going on? Come on. Show me what's going on daily. Okay. Price spin badly. Come on. I don't know who designed these softwares, why they are so slow. 12 o'clock. Yes. Okay. $19.45 open interest 280 right in this area. So 280 call 400 call 16 January 500 call 19 this one 20. These two call 400 500 call are worthless, like zero credibility in this one. This particular call is interest 280 16 January. Okay, so we need to see the 16th of January. And 280. No, that's not happening. 25 million negative. 16th of January. 16th of January. Exposure plus 0.94. Okay, 16th of January, 11.85%. Okay, then flip 19th of December. So that comes 19th of December. Bearish. Okay, I think today we have today's 19. Yeah, coin will hit the bottom. Like today is the bottom, and we'll start the uptrend. Coin on daily time frame. This candle is the bottom candle. This candle is the last candle of the trend. Then we'll start the new uptrend. Pay attention to coin. we are about to start the bull trend. Today is the last negative X, and the next week we'll start uptrend. Oh. The pullback is done. Deeper means 1.38. 260. Swing low. Okay. Look for 297 on coin minimum. 297. All your trades should hold for 297 on coin. Cover bull SMCI? No, there is no need to. No, you don't need cover. No need. Okay, any question here? No question here. Okay. Okay, S&P 500. Did we miss the short? No. Okay, 1 minute. What's going on? Okay. So, okay, we missed the short here. That's what happens when we have a lot of questions. So I shorted where? 680.50. Give me a second. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Why? Okay. All right. Okay, I'll bring him on. Okay. Bye. All righty. All righty, everyone. Got a little of emergency. I have to go pick my son from school. There's a problem in the school. SMCI positive 20. SMCI. Yes, SMCI. Yes, we will be looking for a bounce from here. There you go. Yeah, liquidity sweep of the internal range. We are looking for a bounce. This is highly oversold stock here. Two stock which I believe right now are really undervalued: SMCI and Mara. Like, there's no reason for them to be here. This stock SMCI is justified prices like 46, 48 range, 45. Stay north of 45. Mara, stay north of 15. Okay, 17, 18 area, like that area. That's a justified. Okay, I'll be back in the Discord, but I have to leave the stream right now. Okay, I have to go pick my son from the school. Thank you so much. I'll be in Discord. Keep paying attention. Try focus on selling the calls, nothing else. That's it.